So the first intro I recorded, I didn't like it, and so I had to record another intro, which is this one. But basically in this video, I got to installing the Mishimoto air intake and a strut brace for the Supra. But not only that, me and my little brother went go-karting, so right after this finishes, it's gonna cut to me and him go-karting. Some of my best laps doing it, and just overtakes of me overtaking him. So we just got done doing go-karts at Gateway. That was his first time doing them. Did you like it?
Very fun, very fun.
Very fun.
Very fun.
Very hot out though. I'm sweaty. My hands are shaking because of how much effort it took. We're just gonna go to St. Louis, get some gas, because I'm running low on gas in my car. Maybe get some food on the way or drink. And then maybe later today when it gets cool out, I'll install the air intake. But for now, I'm gonna put it off and wait until later, so. Alright, so it's been a few days since I last recorded, but today I'm gonna get to installing the air intake. I finally got the letters all painted. To me, it looks fairly good. I got the Mishimoto colors on it. Since it's later out in the day, it's not as hot, so we're gonna get to installing it and ripping out the stock air intake. So taking all this out, and basically that's gonna replace everything. Alright, so I'm gonna get a little more turbo noises, a little more power out of it, but overall it'll just look a lot better and a whole lot cleaner, so. Okay, I don't know why my GoPro stopped recording again, but I pretty much have it all in now. Intake in, this stupid vacuum line is in. This thing was a pain in the butt to get off and a pain in the butt to get in. I don't know why, just was. Last thing we gotta do is just put the air temperature sensor back in here, take it off the old one, and then it should be all set. Yeah. All done. She's all installed. It's all done. That took me, so this clip was recorded in 5 minutes. The other one was like 11, but it skipped a few. Probably about 25-30 minutes. It's not bad for that whole thing, in my opinion. Okay, so it's been a few days since I recorded putting the intake in, but I just got some parts in from Titan Motorsports, and we're gonna be installing that here, and I'm gonna throw that in this video too. Now we are going to have a strut brace, because one thing that I thought was stupid was on the newer models, like the 21s and newer, from factory they had this strut brace, but I just went ahead and just bought one for myself, and I think it'll add to aesthetic, and plus it'll get it looking good for Formula Drift for the car show. So where did that one go? I already got two on it. I don't like that one either. Where did that one go? I think this is just one of those stock ones. Yeah, it is. Okay. Had me panicking there for a moment.